Hi friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. JENA, faculty member of PG Department of Business Management, as well as the coordinator PG Department of Commerce, Fakirmodi University, Bihar, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, today we are going to discuss the 46 vital MCQs, matlab the GK quiz from the Union Budget 2024-25. Recently, our Finance Minister, Government of India, has presented the Union Budget in the Central Hall in the Parliament. So friends, so far as today's discussion is concerned, आज का discussion बहुत useful and fruitful होगा, particularly for the semester exemption. So far as the income tax paper is there, as well as आज का discussion भी बहुत useful and fruitful होगा, particularly that is the प्रोफेशनल कोर्स लाइक द CICWA कोर्स के लिए. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, particularly that is the competitive exam like UGC NET JRF for the subject of commerce management, as well as that is the PGT and SSB exams. So friends, I have prepared these 46 vital MCQs from the Union Budget as per the रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ सम ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट फ्रेंड्स. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलरली दोज हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन लाइक द बैंकिंग, स्टाफ सिलेक्शन, UPSC, OPSC and other competitive exams. So friends, during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So far as your valuable comment and suggestions are most welcome to me for the next video. So I am requesting to all of you, don't skip the video. Definitely you will know more and more. So it's a or I am ensuring you. So friends, without wasting our golden time, friends, without losing our valuable time, so let's start today's discussion. So friends, we will discuss one by one the 46 vital MCQs or the most expected MCQs from the Union Budget 2024 मतलब 2024-25. पहला MCQ क्या है? The word budget has been derived from the word that is the budget, means a bag or wallet. So the budget is a or this word has been derived from which word, whether the Latin or the German or French or Spanish. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. That is the budget word has been derived from the French word. So friends, I am चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of a budget. So budget, it is an estimation of revenue and expenses over a specified future period of time that is re-evaluated on a periodic basis. So it's the meaning of a budget. Second one MCQ, who is known as the father of Indian budget, whether R.K. Shanmukham Chetty, B it's the C.D. Deshmukh, C it's the Jawaharlal Nehru, or T.T. Krishna Machari. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. R.K. Shanmukham Chetty is the father of Indian budget. So friends, your A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे what is the total budget of Union Budget 2024-25, whether it's the rupees 38.21 crore lakh crore, B it's a 45.21 lakh crore, C it's the 48.21 lakh crore, D it's the 58.21 lakh crore. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The total budget of Union Budget, that is 2024-25, its amount is how much? It's the 28.21 lakh crore. So next one budget हम देखेंगे. What is this? The Union Budget 24-25 has proposed the changes, the standard deduction for salaried employees from 50,000 rupees to how much? Whether 60,000 or it's 75,000 or it's 90,000 or it's 1 lakh. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. In a recent budget the recent budget has proposed the changes in standard deduction from salaried employees from 50,000 to 75,000. So I have friends some चर्चा what is the meaning of standard deduction. So it's a dollar or amount set annually by, that is the IRS. So it's friends the Indian Revenue Services, that most taxpayers can deduct from the taxable income to reduce the, what is this, the tax, their tax bill. It's the meaning of a standard deduction. So friends, so I have or I will request to all of you, kindly go through the posted video. So I have 4 to 5, that is the video I have posted from the income tax. So kindly go through the posted video, definitely you will know more and more. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, the union budget is presented in which house of the parliament. So friends, so there are, whether it's a Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha Secretariat, both A and B, no doubt friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. Union budget is presented in Lok Sabha. So friends, for your general knowledge purposes, so Rajya Sabha it's known as upper house of the parliament, whereas Lok Sabha it is known as what is the lower house of the parliament. So next one MCQ, in the recent union budget, the deduction of a family pension for pensioners has been proposed to increase from rupees 50,000 to how much? Kitna? Whether 20,000 or 25,000 or it's 30,000 or it's 50,000. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So the standard, the deduction of family pension for pensioners has been proposed to increase from rupees 15,000 to rupees 25,000 in union budget, that is 2024-25. Next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, what is the time period covered in the union budget, that is the 24-25, whether it's the 1st January to 31st December, or it's the 1st April to 31st March, or it's the 1st May to 30th April, or whether it's the 1st July to 30th June. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So normally the budget period it starts from, or it commences from 1st April to 31st March every year. So it's that is the typing error in 2024-25, that is the Government of India has presented the interim budget. So next one MCQ देखेंगे, what is the budgetary allocation to MGNREGA scheme in the union budget? So it's typing error, that is the 24-25, whether it's the rupees 66,000 crores or it's 75,000 crores, or whether it's the 86,000 crores or it's the 95,000 crores. So friends, C is the right option for this MCQ. That is the rupees 86,000 crore is the budgetary allocation to MGNREGA scheme in the recent union budget 24-25. I have friends some discussion of what is the full form of MGNREGA. It's the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, the statement or report which shows the estimated receipts and expenditures of the government for a particular fiscal year. It's known as, what is this? Whether it's that is the economic survey report, or the finance bill statement, or whether the receipts and expenditure statements, whether it's the annual financial statement. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So the annual financial statement shows the estimated receipts and expenditures of the government for a particular fiscal year. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, what is the budgetary allocation to research and development project scheme in the recent union budget 24-25, whether it's a rupees 1,000 crores, or whether it's 1,200 crores, or whether it's the 1,500 crores, or whether it's a 2,000 crores. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So that is 1,200 is the budgetary allocation towards the research and development project schemes in the recent union budget. So next one हम देखेंगे, इनकम टैक्स एक्ट ये बहुत आसान है, क्या है, whether it's 1947 or 1956 or 1961 or it's 1962. friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Income Tax Act is 1961. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे the maximum allocation of finance to which sector in the recent union budget, whether it's the rural development or whether the health sector or whether it's the education sector or whether it's the defense sector. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The maximum allocation of finance to, that is the defense sector, in the recent or in the union budget 24-25. Next one MCQ हम देखेंगे the term is used or which term is used for the difference between total revenue and total expenditure in the union budget, whether it's the fiscal deficit or whether it's the budgetary deficit or revenue deficit or all the above. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The important MCQs are the term fiscal deficit. What is this? So fiscal deficit, this term is used or it's for the difference between the total revenue and the total expenditure in the revenue or union budget. So next one MCQ देखेंगे, if the annual budget is not passed by the Lok Sabha, what will be the situation there? The situations like our options: the union finance minister will resign, or it's the union finance minister will redesign and present the budget again in the Lok Sabha. So there will be the fresh election. D is the prime minister and his cabinet will have to resign. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, if the annual budget is not passed or fail to pass by the Lok Sabha, then the prime minister and his cabinet will have to resign. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Next one MCQ देखें, the first union budget of independent India was presented in which year, whether 1947 or 1948 or 1949 or whether it's a 1950. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ देखें, the government of India merged the railway budget with the general budget and ended a 92-year-old practices in which year, whether 2015 or 2016 or 2017 or 2018. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The government of India merged the railway budget with the general budget in which year, that is 2016. Next one MCQ then, the first union budget of independent India was presented by whom, whether Jawaharlal Nehru or whether Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan or whether the R.K. Shanmukham Chetty or the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The first union budget of independent India was presented by R.K. Shanmukham, that is Chetty. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, who is the first prime minister of India to present the union budget, whether Morarji Desai or Jawaharlal Nehru or Lal Bahadur Shastri or Indira Gandhi. Sorry. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So Indira Gandhi is the first prime minister of India presented the union budget. Next one MCQ again, the first woman finance minister of India who presented the union budget, whether Indira Gandhi or Nirmala Sitharaman, whether Sushma Swaraj or Meera Kumar. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So Indira Gandhi is the first woman finance minister of India who presented the union budget. So next one MCQ देखेंगे, Nirmala Sitharaman, right now the present finance minister government of India, made a record in presenting the union budget for consecutive of how many times in a row, 5th times or 6th time or 7th time or 8th time. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So Nirmala Sitharaman, finance minister of India or government of India, made a record in presenting the union budget for the consecutive of 7 times in a row. Next one MCQ हम देखेंगे GST. So friends, so GST stands for what is this? Goods and services tax. What is this? So GST, it is an indirect tax. So friends, for your kind information, so I have already posted 4, 5, that is the MCQs on GST and indirect tax. Kindly go through the posted video. Definitely you will know more and more. What is this? So GST, it's a value added tax levied on most goods and services sold for domestic consumption. It's the meaning of a GST. Above all, GST is an indirect tax. So GST is a major tax reform, and GST was introduced in which year in the union budget, whether 2014-15 or 15-16 or 16-17 or 17-18. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. D. So GST is a major tax reform, and GST was introduced in that is the year, that is 2017-18 in the union budget. So next one MCQ आइए हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज द बजटरी प्रोविजन मेड फॉर द प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि इन द रिसेंट यूनियन बजट, whether it's the 50,000 crores or 60,000 crores or it's 75,000 crores or it's the 1 lakh crore. So friends, so it's a B is the right option for this MCQ. So 60,000 crore is the budgetary provision made for the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme in the recent union budget. So next one MCQ देखें, how much fund has been allocated to defense in a recent union budget to 24-25, whether it's the rupees, that is the 4,24,773 crores, or whether 4,34,773 crores, or whether it's the 4,44,773 crore, or whether it's the 4,54,773 crores. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Rupees 4,54,773 crore is the budgetary provision towards defense in the recent budget. So next one MCQ, how much fund has been allocated to rural development in a recent union budget 24-25, whether it's the rupees 2,65,880 crores, or it's a, that is rupees, whether it's a so no doubt it's a C is the right option for this MCQ. So I have forgotten, so I have not changed the, that is the option. So it's a 2,65,808 crore is the budgetary allocation towards the rural development in the recent union budget 24-25. Next one MCQ, GST Act is whether 2015 or 2016 or 2017 or 2018. So no doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So GST Act is 2017. So next one MCQ, who is known as the father of GST of India, whether Jaswant Singh or Arun Jaitley or Atal Bihari Vajpayee or Jaswant Sinha. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Atal Bihari Vajpayee is known as the father of GST of India. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, what is the annual education subsidy towards the education loan amount, whether 2%, 3%, 4% or 5%. So friends, B is the right option for this MCQ. So 3% is the annual education subsidy towards the educational loan amount. Friends, so here B is the right option for this MCQ. So who has presented the black budget? Friends, it's a that is the terms in income tax in the year 1956, and it's known as for proposing the heavy taxes and increase the public spending. It's known as, what is this, or the meaning of black budget, where so there will be the charges of heavy taxes and increase the public spending. So who was presented, whether the John Mathai or C.T. Deshmukh or T.T. Krishnamachari or Charan Singh. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, under PM Awas Yojana how many houses are planned to be constructed in the recent union budget 24-25, whether 2 crore, 3 crore, 4 crore or 5 crore. So friends, so B is the sorry, B is the right option. Matlab, under the PM Awas Yojana, that is 3 crore houses are planned to be constructed in the recent or as per the recent union budget. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, union budget of India is prepared by which department? So whether the Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance, or Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance. Then C, it's the Department Expenditure, Ministry of Finance. D, it's the Ministry. So sorry, it's a typing error, so I have repeated. So no doubt friends, so it's a B is the right option for this MCQ. Union Budget of India is prepared by the Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance. So B is the right option for this MCQ. Next one MCQ देखें, Union Budget which aim to achieve the target of one nation one tax before implementation of GST. Whether it's a 2014-15 or 2015-16 or it's 2016-17 or it's a 2017-18. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So the Union Budget to 2015-16 aimed or has aimed to achieve the target of one nation one tax before implementation of GST. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, who was the finance minister who presented the union budget in the year 1976 during the period of emergency? Whether Dr. Manmohan Singh or Morarji Desai or Indira Gandhi or Rajiv Gandhi. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Indira Gandhi was the prime finance minister, and she presented the union budget in the year 1976 during the period of emergency. So next one MCQ देखेंगे, in union budget 24-25 the reduction of custom duty on gold and silver has been reduced from 15% to how much? Whether 5% or 6% or 7% or 8%. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The reduction of custom duty on gold and silver has been reduced from 15% to 6% in the recent union budget. So next one MCQ, which Yojana will address the housing needs of the urban poor and the middle class? Whether PM Awas Yojana 2.0, whether PM Awas Yojana 3.0, whether the PM Prime Minister Awas Yojana or Indira Awas Yojana. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. PM Awas Yojana 2.0 will address the housing needs of the urban, poor and middle class. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, in the recent union budget or in union budget to 24-25 the reduction of basic custom duty on mobile phones and charges has been reduced from 20% to कितना, whether 8%, 10%, 12% or 15%. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. In union budget 24-25 the reduction in basic customs duty on mobile phones and charges has been reduced from 20% to 15%. The term interior budget is used in the situation when the government is facing the financial problem. B, a full budget is prepared during the election year. C, the budget is presented for a long period before a new fiscal year. D, it's a short-term financial plan which covers the government expenses until a new government takes charge after the election. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Recently, that is the Modi government previously presented the interim budget. Then now the new government led by the Narendra Modi has presented the budget by finance minister for the whole year. So friends, here D is the right option for this MCQ. So how much fund has been allocated for the progress and welfare of women and girls in union budget, recent union budget, whether it's rupees 50,000 crores or rupees 2 lakh crore, or whether it's 2.5 lakh crore. C, it's the rupees 3 lakh crore. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So rupees 3 lakh crore has been allocated for the progress and welfare of women and girls in the recent union budget. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, how many youth will be skilled over a 5-year period as per the provision of a recent union budget, that is the 2024 and 25, whether 10 lakh or 15 lakh or 20 lakh or it's a 25 lakh. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So 20 lakh youth will be skilled over a 5-year period as per the provision of a recent union budget, that is 2425. Next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, how much amount has been allocated for the long-term interest-free loans to state in the recent union budget, whether it's the rupees 1.5 lakh crore, B it's the 2 lakh crore, C it's the 2.5 lakh crore, D it's the rupees 3 lakh crore. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. Rupees 1.5 lakh crore has been allocated for long-term interest-free loans to state in the recent union budget. So next one MCQ, the union budget 24-25, the reduction in income tax on foreign companies has been reduced from 40% to kitna, whether 20% or 25% or 30% or 35%. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. In union budget 24-25, the reduction in income tax on foreign companies has been reduced from 40% to 35%. So next one MCQ देखें, what is the financial support to Andhra Pradesh in financial year 2024, whether rupees 5,000 crore or 10,000 crore or it's 15,000 crores or it's 20,000 crores. So friends, C is the right option for this MCQ. So rupees 15,000 crore is the financial support to Andhra Pradesh in the financial year in 2024. So next one MCQ, in union budget 24-25, the reduction of a tax on non-financial assets is what? Whether the 15% to 7.5%, 15% to 10%, C it's the 15% 12.5%, D it's the 20% to 12.5%. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The reduction in tax on non-financial assets, what is this? Reduced 20% to 12.5% in the recent union budget 2024-25. So next one MCQ, the limit of loan amount will be enhanced from rupees 10 lakhs to kitna under the Tarun category under the Mudra scheme. So whether it's the rupees 20 lakhs or 25 lakhs or 30 lakhs or it's 40 lakhs. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The limit of loan amount will be enhanced from rupees 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs under the Tarun category in Mudra scheme. So friends, so there are the 3 categories. So first one is that is the Sishu, second one is Kishore, and the last one is that is the Tarun category under the Mudra scheme. So next one MCQ, how much households obtain free electricity under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, whether it's a rupees 1 crore or 2 crores or 3 crores or 5 crores. So friends, A is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब 1 crore households obtain free electricity under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. So friends, so these are all about the 46 vital MCQs on the basis of union budget, that is 2024 and 25. So friends, I am hopeful that so you have learned a lot. Again, I am requesting to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. Again, I am also requesting to all of you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly you subscribe it, kindly you share it, kindly you forward it. So thanks a million to all of you.